Hi there, and in this video I will tell you how to prepare the best fertilizer for peppers so that they grow faster, set as many flowers as possible and form more fruits. And also, if your peppers already have the first harvest, then it will become even bigger after this fertilization. And so that your plants do not break from a large harvest, they need to be tied up before fertilizing. As you can see, there is a strong wind outside and it is very dangerous for plants. They can easily break. I have beds made of old pallets, so I take a small board about 60 centimeters long, which is 24 inches, and screw the board down so that it is in the same plane as the plants in the row. If you don't have beds like that, you can just drive the board into the soil. I do the same on the other side. Then I take the rope used to tie the plants and tie it at about the same height as the branching on the plant. Then I stretch the rope so that it passes on one plant on the right side and on the next plant on the left side, and so on until the end of the row. I fix the rope at the same level on the other side of the bed and immediately tie another rope here again, but now I wrap it around the plants on the other side in relation to where the first rope passed. This way, the plant is firmly fixed in place and no wind will break it. This was the fixation of the first tier, and after this feeding, the plant will very quickly start growing upwards and another tier will appear. So I will do the same, tying later only higher. Look how the gusts of wind strongly shake the untied plants, and those that I have already tied up are holding firmly and do not sway. I tie up the other row in the same way. Now it's time to fertilize. For this I will use an infusion of weeds. This is the simplest but also the most useful fertilizer for all plants in the garden, except for tomatoes, of course, because after such a feeding they can get fat, because this feeding is primarily rich in nitrogen, and it also contains phosphorus, potassium and other macro and micro elements. To prepare it, I took a container, filled it about 2/3 full of weed, then poured water over it, covered it with a lid and left it for 1 week. During the week I opened the bucket once a day and stirred the weeds. Then, when the fermentation has completely stopped, there is no foam on top, which means that our fertilizer is ready. I stir it again, pour 6 liters of water into a clean container, which is about 6 quarts, and add 4 liters of this concentrated weed fertilizer, which is about 4 quarts. The proportions are a little more than 1 to 2, but this fertilizer is organic, so if the concentration is a little higher, you won't harm the plants. I mix this fertilizer in a bucket. Before fertilizing peppers or other plants with this fertilizer, be sure to pre-water them with normal warm, street temperature water and let the water soak in completely. So we need to use less fertilizer, but it will penetrate deep into the soil and reach the deepest roots and quickly start working for the plant. I pour about half a liter of this fertilizer under each plant. When the plants grow up, I will use this fertilizer again, but I will add 1 liter at a time. As you can see, this fertilizer can be used for a very long time on your plants, but no more than once every 2 weeks. And when the peppers start to ripen, we stop fertilizing with this fertilizer and switch to phosphorus and potassium fertilizers. If you subscribe to me, I will show you in the next videos what you can use to make them. So friends, be sure to mow the weeds now and make such an effective fertilizer. That's all for now. I wish you good harvests and see you in the next videos.